I got all of the new Beats products, and today I'll be telling you if they're good or garbage. First up, the new Beats Pill. It's water resistant, has USB-C for charging, or you can plug devices directly in if you don't want to use Bluetooth, and you can also pair two of these together for a stereo experience or just a louder listening experience. And the sound quality here is surprisingly great. It gets very loud with well-balanced bass, and the audio is clear and crisp. And this has 24 hours of battery life. And it's also $150 USD, which isn't really too bad. And honestly, I have no complaints about the speaker, except I wish it came in some more colors. I give the Beats Pill an 8.5 out of 10. Next are the Powerbeats Pro 2. I've been using these for workouts and running for the past few months now, and they're actually pretty solid. The fit is very secure, they're light, comfortable, and you easily forget that they're in your ears. I really like that they have a volume rocker, but I don't like how every time I adjust these in my ears, I accidentally press the play and pause button, which is right on the side of the earbuds. And the sound quality is good, but I feel like the mid-tones are a little bit buried beneath the highs and bass. It's definitely not the most balanced pair of earbuds I've ever tested, but they do sound great for workouts. And the noise cancelling is also pretty good, but I feel like AirPods Pro actually do a better job. They also have a built-in heart rate monitor, 10 hours of battery life or 45 hours total with the case, which also charges wirelessly or over USB-C. They are a bit expensive though at $250. I give these a 7 out of 10, and personally I prefer the cheaper Beats Fit Pro. Next are the iconic Beats Studio Pro. They have the classic Beats headphone design, and they're comfortable. They're made of plastic but feel decently solid in my opinion. They have 40 hours of battery life, they work over Bluetooth, 3.5mm jack, or over USB-C for lossless audio, and the sound quality here is pretty great. They're fairly well balanced, although I do wish the mid-tones were a bit more prominent here as well, but they have great bass, but not an overwhelming amount. There's clear, crisp audio, and the days of like bass-heavy, terrible beats are gone. The active noise cancellation is pretty solid here, but not as great as the AirPods Max, but they do have the transparency mode and spatial audio if you're into that. And unlike the AirPods Max, these do actually fold up, and the carrying case is pretty nice, but I do wish they automatically paused or turned off when you take them off. It's a big feature that's missing here. And these and all the other products I talked about have that super easy Apple pairing system that works across all your Apple devices and syncs with your Apple ID. They're $350, which isn't the pricier side, but overall, I do like these. I give them an 8 out of 10. And finally, yes, the new Beats cables. They're well made and feel fairly durable at the connector points, and they're braided and tangle-free. They come in USB-A, USB-C, or Lightning with different sizes. There's a bunch of colors, they support 60-watt fast charging, but data transfer speeds are only USB 2, and they're $19 no matter which size or type of cable you choose, which is a little bit pricey. I mean, they're cables. I give them a 6 out of 10, I guess. They're fine. So yeah, these days Beats by Dre, or should I say Beats by Apple, is actually pretty good.